In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a QR code for your YouTube channel very easily. So let's get started. Open your browser and go to this website. On here, click on the URL icon. Now paste the URL of your YouTube channel. And press enter. Now click on the download button. Here you can change the error correction code, border, size and many more. But I am not changing anything now. After selection, download the QR code as PNG format and save it where you want. Now I show you how it works. So now I'm going to my mobile to show you whether it works or not. As you can see, it works very well. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.